Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a smooth transition on different clip using Capcut Mobile. And the way to create it, it's so simple. Let's just go to the tutorial, and I'm going to show to you the way to do that. First, open your Capcut, import the clip that you want to edit, and I already prepared these two different clip, and I'm going to add this smooth transition effect on it. So let's just go to your each clip like this and make sure it has a same or a perfect spot with the size of the screen, kind of like that. And then when you're done, just click the first clip like this, and then go to the speed and go to the curve speed and use this bullet speed or the bullet curve, and then hit the check button when you're done, and then go to the second clip, this one, and go to the speed again and use this curve speed and use this bullet curves speed. And then the next step that you need to do is just try to cut off the excess from your clip and make sure it has a same duration each other, kind of like this. So it's 3.1 seconds, so it will be look like this. And then the next step that you need to do is go to your main toolbar and then go to effect and go to the video effect, and here on the search bar you need to type this zoom lens, and then use this effect, click it, and then adding it onto your clip like this. And if you want to adjust, just click adjust, and you can decrease the length of the speed from the effect like this, and you can increase the thickness or the intensity of the zoom also. I think I will set it on to 40, kind of like this. And now when you're done, just click the effect and add a keyframe onto the first duration, and then on the last duration or the end of the effect, you need to add another keyframe and decrease the range of it, kind of like this. As you can see, it will look like this. And then the next step that you need to do is add another video effect. So let's add a blur effect on it to make it much more good. So let's just type lens blur and use this effect and adding it onto your clip and positioning the effect kind of like this. And I think I'm going to crop it all the way to this position and add another keyframe on the first duration, and then on the last duration or the end of the effect, you need to add another keyframe and decrease the intensity of the blur, kind of like this. So you will have this kind of like effect. And then the next step, you need to duplicate it and positioning it onto the second clip like this. As you can see, it's so simple and easy. Okay, now you have this match effect on each clip and match speed ramp on each clip. Now the next step that you need to do to make it much more smooth, you need to click this button and add a transition, go to the overlay and use this black fade transition, and you can increase the size of it onto 1 second. And now when you're done, this is the final result that you will get. As you can see, now we have this smooth transition from the first clip onto the second clip. And that's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.